So for this project, we were assigned an empty lot that's been abandoned for about 10 to 15 years, I guess. And we transformed it with an interactive light experience. We are interfacing with ProtoPixel hardware, and the ProtoPixel creates via a technology called Siphon. So on the one hand, that allows us to create content of any sort and channel it in real time into the ProtoPixel software in order to activate the illumination system. So we can work with the voice, we can take all the parameters out from it, create visuals, and pass it in real time to the ProtoPixel-enabled hardware.
To collaborate and get feedback about the use of our technology, the problems, are instrumental so we can innovate and we can do research, and together we make sense of technology.
When we were testing our sound and our effects, it was in an enclosed space in the studio or in the university. The moment you come out into the open space, the sound sounds totally different, the effects are totally different.
It was really amazing because we were afraid that maybe people will not interact, will not understand what's happening, and yesterday was full of everyone shouting.
And I mean all kinds of different people, from like kids to elderly people. Everybody was enjoying equally, and I mean it was amazing.